Hi, everyone. Happy New Year. John Zilch, part of the Sugar product team here with Sugar Market, and wanted to share some of our plans for an upcoming product release with you that'll be on January 10th. And this product release, we have a busy month coming in January. We're kicking off the year in a good way. We'll have this release on the 10th around a more intuitive UI for custom reports. And then a larger release on January 23rd will be the new navigation system, which you may have heard about. And I would ask you to check out some of that stuff in Sugar Club if you haven't heard of it. So, but first things first, January 10th, we have an exciting release coming out, and I want to share some of the details with you right now. Okay, so you may have seen this before. These are the 5 themes that we tend to think about as we continue to evolve our product, Sugar Market, into a top marketing automation tool. So intuitive, right? Making sure the interface, things are easy to find, easy to use. Collaborative platform experience with other tools you're using. I think maybe first and foremost CRM, right? Making sure all that customer data is available and the experience feels like one holistic platform. Time-saving tools, whether those be capabilities, features, what have you. We want to make sure that everything, the tools that you need to run your marketing programs are there inside Sugar Market. Data intelligence, and then lastly, and surely not least, is I'd say just product quality. So performance, obviously security, and stability of the product are really important to us. For this release on January 10th, we are focused on the interface, right? So continuing our journey to freshen up, to modernize how Sugar Market looks and how it can be used. And then we have a few bug fixes also rolled into this release, which we most often, almost always have with each release, is we're continuing to chip away at product quality. And I want to share with you more on the interface side today. And the focus here is on custom reporting. You might be aware that throughout 2022, we've modernized areas of the product, and this is no different. Or this is the next area we're focused on is custom reports. We know it's important. What you're seeing here is what the experience looks like today with our reporting, and we tried to keep generally the same layout, I suppose, but again, trying to modernize it, clean it up, make it feel less cluttered. So you see your report structure here in the new experience, as well as your reports kind of running down in rows. If you were to create a new report, this is what you would see today, and this is where we're going, right? So on January 10th, you'll see something that again is more streamlined, a little more space to to find things and to kind of organize the different pieces here. And then last but not least, these are the report details. This is where you'd go to edit the report or generate the report as an Excel doc. You can see it here on the left side, excuse me. Email the report. There's some few options there, but we felt like those were kind of hidden in a strange place. And also, there's just a lot of information here on the screen. So what we ended up with was a call to action in the top right, where you'd go to run the report, and that can take on different formats, right? So it could be just getting a record count. It could be a preview, so you can see what the data looks like, or when you're ready to work with all the data, you could download that to Excel or email it to yourself, however you'd like. And again, a lot of the information here is similar to what it was before, but just an easier way to use the product, especially maybe you're onboarding a new user, right? And we think this will go a long way there as well in terms of having someone just adopt and then enjoy using Sugar Market. So this is the focal point of our January 10th release. We hope you enjoy it. And as always, thank you. And once again, Happy New Year.